What's up guys, Morgan Lewis here and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to show and explain to you how to stop double opt-in by Aweber. If you've used Aweber, sometimes your subscribers have got a double opt-in. You may want that, you may not want that. If you're using API, sometimes you can't turn it off until Aweber sees some activity on your account. You can phone them up and you can ask them to turn it off, which I've done, which is a bit of a pain. There is a way around it using HTML form, which I show in this video. I'm using Clickfunnels and Aweber. So, if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the inside.
Now, as you can see, I'm in my Clickfunnels account at the moment. So this is the simple squeeze page that I want to use. Clickfunnels, I use Clickfunnels. There are other ones available, but this one will just show you how to integrate this squeeze page to an Aweber account. This is my Aweber account. I've created a list already. I'm not going to go through how to create a list on Aweber. There's Google out there that'll help you how to create a list on Aweber. So what I want to do is I want to integrate this little squeeze page with my Aweber list. Now what I found out previously, and you may be having the same problem, if you integrate this, right, I'll remove that for now. If you integrate this with Aweber, and if you use the Clickfunnels API, what you'll find is when people put in their email address, it'll say that they've subscribed, but subscription is pending or something like that. So they've got to go back and confirm they want to opt into your list, which is alright, I suppose. But I was finding that a lot of people they weren't doing that. So I was getting people to put their email address in, and they were either forgetting or not bothering. So I wasn't getting as many emails on my list as I wanted. So what you can do is you can phone up Aweber and they will turn it off, make it take a couple of times, but they may ask you for details. They may ask to see if they've got activity on the account first before they do it, which is alright. But if I want to make a few more lists, I don't want to keep phoning them up and relying on them. So after a bit of searching and a bit of help, this is what I found I can do, and this is what you can do. So I've created a list. It's called Affiliate Ebook. This squeeze page is going to link to a list. Doesn't link yet. They're going to get an ebook sent to them. So at the moment, I'm just going to show you when they put their email address in there, it's going to come as a subscriber, bypassing the double opt-in. So what you want to do is get your list up here. So create a list. Then you want to go into sign up forms. So you may not see a sign up form. So what we're going to do is this: create a sign up form. This comes up. Now with this one, what I found was, after a bit of trial and error, this is the normal one you can use to keep it the same, congruent. This squeeze page has got enter email address, no name. Right, I'm not bothering with that. So get rid of, I am anyway. So if you've got the same as me, just delete the name. So now it's got email and email. So it's not going to expect a name. So just an email and an email. Go to step 2. So you can call this what you want. I'll call it, I don't know, ebook, something like that. It's up to you, ebook. Then I've got this. So now you can leave that as it is. I'm going to change that today. Save my form. Save the form. Go to step 3. Now you will get this now. I will install my form, my web designer will install my form, or use my form as a landing page. Click on, I will install my form. Now you get this, JavaScript snippet, or what you want is raw HTML version. All of this. Uncheck that. So now you've got all this code. Now what you want to do is, you want to go into your squeeze page here, go to settings, go to integrations. At the most, not connected. So select integration. Go to null HTML form. That's what you want. Click on there. Select this integration. Yes. HTML, integrate existing form, add HTML below. You will see this. Now this here is where you want to put this stuff here. Raw HTML. Uncheck that. Now, don't put all of this in. You want to go from form. Right, don't put any of this stuff in. Go to this form bit here. Where it says script, ignore that stuff. You want to go from form all the way up to form there. So we don't want that in. So it's down to there. Where it goes script type, ignore that. Just go form and go up and go to there. Control C. Come over here. Control V it into there. So all that is just all of that code in here. Come down, press this. And then what I found is do that and click off it. So now integration. So now it tells you that it's there. Look, you can remove it if it doesn't work and try it again. But now I'm connected via this HTML form, which is this form here. Don't forget to press save. Don't do like I do and not press save. Press the save, press exit. It'll go back now to my squeeze page. Here's my Aweber account. We've done that. I'm going to go now to list options, list settings. I'll just show you this. This is where you can do all of this. I won't go through these because you can just add things in here. I'll go to confirmation message. Scroll to the bottom. Now, this here, look. This may be on with you. Send a confirmation for Aweber sign-up forms. Turn that off. Turn it off if it's on, right? Make sure that's off. Now this one, you used to be able to turn this off as well. But now you can't. You've got to request a change. Look, that's where you had to phone up and say, please, Mr. Aweber or Mrs. Aweber, can you turn the API off? And they go, yeah, okay, but give us some details first. Let's see some activity. So you can't change that, but you can change that. So turn that off, turn that off. Save settings. Okay. I'll go back now to my dashboard. My dashboard. Affiliate ebook. Subscribers. Hopefully I haven't got any subscribers. I haven't got any. So now the proof is in the pudding. This is my little squeeze page. Now this is not linked. I am going to link this perhaps in the future to a a list, a follow-up list, or a the offer. But at the moment, I haven't done that. I'm just going to show you how to get the subscribers going. That's the squeeze page. That's my email address, which I'm going to test myself. So that one is my test one for this. So just a Gmail account. So when I click on this now, ideally in the future, I'm going to link this so it goes to a bit more information, the checkout page where they can download this ebook. But at the moment, it's just going to go to thank you for subscribing. So not exciting. Now hopefully that now will come up as a subscriber here. In the past, if you link with the API, it'll come up as a subscriber, but it'll be pending until they confirm they want to subscribe. And they double opt in. So hopefully, what I've just done will be there as a subscriber. So I didn't ask for the name, but there's the email address. They've now subscribed, so they're on my list. Okay, they're on the list, and I can follow up with them. Previously, they had a double opt-in to get to that status. But if you go and integrate with the HTML form, just like that, get the form, make sure you put the email bit by there, you can then, they won't have to double opt in. So you can build your list a bit quicker and a bit more because they haven't got to go back to that second setting. So that is the way you can integrate Aweber and Clickfunnels, a little squeeze page, without the subscribers having a double opt-in. Hope that was helpful, and please stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe somewhere here, and I'll see you in the future.